In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Dkim key in Salesforce. Whether you're setting this up for a client or your own company, understanding the Dkim process is essential for email authentication. This process helps improve the integrity and security of your emails, ensuring they aren't flagged as spam and are trusted by recipients. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, you'll navigate to the top right corner of the page, where you'll see the gear icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to access the Setup menu. Within the Setup menu, we're specifically looking for the Advanced Setup section. This is where we'll find the tools we need to create the Dkim key. Once you're in Advanced Setup, look for the Quick Find search box. Here, you'll type Dkim keys. This search will direct you to the relevant section where you can manage your organization's Dkim settings. It's a simple search, but it helps you get directly to where you need to be without navigating through several menus. In the Dkim keys section, you should see an option to create a new key. Click the button that says Create New Key. You'll be prompted to enter a domain and a selector. The domain is the part of your email after the 8-hour symbol, like your company.com, and the selector is a unique string you choose to differentiate this Dkim key from others you might have. Be sure to choose a unique but easily recognizable name for the selector, as it will help identify this specific Dkim configuration later. Once you've entered your domain and selector, Salesforce will generate a set of CNAME records. These records are crucial as they need to be added to your DNS provider. This is usually where your domain is hosted, like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or another DNS service. Adding these CNAME records to your DNS settings will allow your emails to be authenticated correctly, ensuring they're verified as coming from you and protecting them from being marked as spam or phishing. After updating your DNS settings with the new CNAME records, return to Salesforce. You'll need to go back to the Dkim keys section and find the key you just created. There should now be an option to activate the key. Go ahead and click on Activate. This final step ensures your Dkim key is live, and your emails will be authenticated through this key going forward. And there you have it. You've successfully created and activated a Dkim key in Salesforce. By following these steps, you've taken a significant move towards securing your email communications. Feel free to revisit these instructions anytime you need to set up additional keys or make adjustments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.